Hello students, let us read the question. A 40 kg flywheel in the form of a uniform circular disc 200 centimeter. This is the radius. This is the diameter. Is making 120 revolutions per minute. Calculate angular momentum. Moment of inertia of the disc is given half m/r square. So the key concept involved here is the angular momentum of a rigid body. As we know that the linear momentum can be written as m into v. Similarly, the angular momentum can be written as I into omega. At the place of m, we are using the moment of inertia, and at the place of linear velocity, we are going to use the angular velocity. So from here, we can write that the angular momentum can be written as I into omega. Value of I is given in the question itself, that is half mr square. It can be written as half mr square into omega. Let us put these values given in the question itself. The value of m is given as 40 kg. This is 40 kg into value of r. Radius is given as, here in the question we are given the diameter 200 centimeter. So the radius will be equal to 100 centimeter, which can be further written as 1 meter. So here the value of r is 1 meter square into omega. The omega is given as 120 revolution per minute. This is omega is equal to 120 revolution per minute. If we convert it into radian per second, it will become 120 into 2 pi upon 60. From here we can write that the omega is equal to this value is equal to 4 pi. This is 4 pi radian per second. Let us put this value here. It is equal to 4 pi. From here we can calculate the angular momentum is equal to 80 into pi. It can be written as 80 into 3.14. From here we can write the angular momentum as 251.2 kg meter square into second. So our final answer, that is the angular momentum of flywheel is equal to 251. This value is 251.2 kg meter square per second. Thank you so much.